In Assam, there should be machine-readable electoral rolls because they are alleging that by the SR process, the government is trying to, make manipulation. How do you react to it?
You see, SR special revision, which is going on in the state, a pure voter list, which is the need of the hour. So, Election Commission, or Assam State Election Commission, is doing their job. So, all the BLOs and the agent of political parties, BLA, they will go together to house and enumerate, and they will study thorough voter list. Go thorough for a
Revision.
For a revision. So it is a need of the hour, and Gaurav Gogoi and the Congress party, they are always attacking us. They attacked in Bihar also when SR was going on, special intensive review was going on. So that is their false narrative. Assamese people, the people of Assam wants SR. People of Assam wants a pure voter list, through which we are going to be elect a new government in Assam by 2026 April. Today, another bill was passed in the assembly. So this is a Satra Mahasabha, that the land occupied by the illegal infiltrators. So this bill will definitely help to empower our culture, to empower our civilization, and also the eviction drive which is going on in several parts of the state, and Satra's land which was illegally occupied by the illegal infiltrators, that will also help. That through this bill, it will help that this land which was illegally occupied by the Muslim infiltrators, so it will be our land, it will be our cultural hotspot, and our civilization will also empower in this initiative.
Dilip, the Assam Pradesh Congress president has
एक ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिक विधेयक आज आसाम विधानसभा में आज पारित हुआ है। मैं भी इस हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट का मैं भी साक्षी बना आज, जो पोलीगमी जो बिल है 2025, ये बहुत बड़ा एक प्रभाव आने वाला समय में लाएगा, विशेष करके वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, महिला सबलीकरण, महिला सशक्तिकरण और महिला को न्याय, नारी शक्ति को न्याय देने के लिए ये विधेयक बहुत ही एक प्रभावी विधेयक साबित होगा। और जो हमारा समाज में जो एक सामाजिक व्याधि के रूप में ये पोलीगमी, बहुविवाह जो प्रथा चल रहा है, उसको भी समाप्त करेगा। साथ में जो एक कानून का बहुत ज़रूरत एक महसूस हुआ था बहुत दिनों से, इस विधेयक को ला करके ये कानून महामाननीय राष्ट्रपति जी के अनुमोदन के साथ आसाम में लागू होगा। विधानसभा में आज वो विधेयक पारित हुआ है। ये विधेयक पारित होने के बाद ये महामाननीय राष्ट्रपति जी के पास जाएगा और महामाननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का इसमें हस्ताक्षर होगा। उसके बाद ये विधेयक आइन में रूपांतर होगा। इट विल बी एन एक्ट, एंड आई थिंक दिस बिल विल डेफिनेटली help the women power, women Nari Shakti, to avoid the atrocities what is going on in their life, in their married life. And I congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister for this historic bill Polygamy Bill 2025 to give respect and justice to our Nari Shakti, women power.
Chief Minister himself said that regarding UCC, that when he'll come to power.
You are all hearing the statement of Honorable Chief Minister. So, Honorable Chief Minister has openly said in the debate that if the people of Assam will support and if BJP will form the government in 2026 for the third time, the Assam government under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he will make it and will table a bill for UCC, Uniform Civil Code. So I also thank CM Sahab for this futuristic thought and a very important initiative.
So State Assembly also passed the Assam